Here's one of the more popular body styles that we get in. 1965 Pontiac GTO. And yes, this is a true GTO. It's not a Tempest that's badged up to look like a GTO. So we got a true GTO here. Do have the PHS documents that will back that up. This particular car, $389 underneath the hood. Power steering. And it now has tri-power on it. Did not come as a tri-power car, but is a GTO, 389 engine, and tri-power setup. Now, as you can see, the paint in this car, very, very nice. I'd give it a 7 to 8 out of 10. Interior is just as nice as the exterior of this car. Underside of the car, also very nice. You can check out the still pictures, so you can take your time. You want to look through them, look over what I'm talking about. Look down below this video in the description area. You're going to see a link you can click on. It's going to take you to uniqueclassiccars.com and right to the still pictures of this car. You can also give us a call, 507-386-1726. Be happy to answer any questions you may have, discuss this car. You can see it's riding on Kragers. Give it that kind of old school muscle car look. And then, of course, the BF Goodrich red line tires. Other thing nice about this car is it was at the MSRA car show here in Minnesota. That'd be Minnesota Street Rod Association, and it went through a safety inspection there and actually scored 23 out of 23. So don't be afraid to get in this car and drive it. You can see, take a look up and down this car. You can see how straight it is. And again, not full of dings, nicks, scratches. Paint has a nice shine, good luster to it. And then take a look. Door fits even. Get a good look at that. Take a peek at this interior. So vinyl buckets. And did I mention? 4-speed car. And it is originally a 4-speed car. Again, confirmed by the PHS documentation. This would be Montero Red, I believe it would have been called. Would have been a color you could get on the GTOs back in '65. Great looking rear on these. See the bright work is nice on it. The taillights were incorporated into that trim piece across the center where you got the Pontiac insignia. Like I said, one of the more popular body styles in the GTOs. A lot of people took the Tempest and made him into a GTO because that's the look they wanted. Not this one, real deal. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist you with the transportation to where you are located at. Get this car to you. Once again, feel free to call us, 507-386-1726. And again, down in the description of this video, there's a link. You can click on that, and it'll take you to uniqueclassiccars.com. Take a look at still pictures, see the underside, see the engine bay, and again, look up and down the driver's side of this car. Paint is in very nice shape. Also very straight. Come around, look at how this door fits on this side also. Nice and even. Front and rear. A lot of good things going for this car. Back seat, as you can see, very nice shape. Pontiac logo. Same with the front, so matching interior front to back. Door cards, again, GTO emblems on them. Would be correct. Wood steering wheel. And I love the dash on these. One of the better looking GM dashes from back in the mid 60s. We're going to go ahead and fire this up. It's a little bit cold-blooded, that 389 under the hood, but let's get her fired up here so you can hear it. Check out that engine bay. Tachometer works. I have not played around with the stereo. I did not have that working. Wipers did work. See the dash. Very nice shape also. Takes this much to warm it up. Check out the headliner. Also in good shape. Nicely that door closes. with, so it'll turn some heads, no doubt about that. I'm going to slip up here, I'm going to pop this hood. I'm going to check out that 389 and the tri-power underneath the hood. Alright, there we go, hood pops. See how clean it is underneath that, first off. There's your tri-power setup, power steering. You can hear and see nice and smooth that engine runs. How about that? What a nice look under the hood. There you go, 1965 Pontiac GTO with PHS documentation to confirm that. Original 4-speed car. Good one to get in and drive. Once again, 507-386-1726. Down below in the description of this video, click on the link, take you right to uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out the still pictures, underside, trunk, engine bay. Take a good look over and see what you think. Once again, we do consider trades. Financing is available, and we'd be happy to assist you with the transportation, getting this car to where you're located.